Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Harpa AI, creating blog posts using AI tool. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head on over to the article of your choice. Now we're taking a look at this article in Vulture titled The Best Movies of 2023 So Far. Scrolling down, you can see that it is a lengthy article containing different movies, which is supposedly the best of 2023. Now, say you want to create a better article that is about the best movies of 2023, what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to click on all commands and head on over to SEO here. So SEO is search engine optimization. Now, click on the Outrank SEO article over here. So what this does is outrank competition with an in-depth SEO optimized article. Navigate to a web page with an article to outrank and then run this command. So this is the web page with the article that we want to outrank. Let's go ahead and click this command. Now we are asked to copy paste an article to outrank or press enter, and Harpa will extract this article that is currently open in the web page. So as we can see, Harpa provided an outrank SEO article based on this specific article. Here below, we are given the option to choose or change the article style that we have been previously provided over here. Let's go ahead and choose MECE. And from there, we are given an MECE analysis or mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive analysis of this article. You can see the mutually exclusive categories and the collectively exhaustive insights, as well as the extensive examination, the comprehensive evaluation, and the conclusion. Now, if you want to explore the different writing styles and their descriptions, just read about it by clicking on writing styles in this guide, and then you will be redirected to this page containing the different choices that we were presented earlier, but with detailed descriptions. Now going back, you can see that Harpa did provide an MECE analysis of this article, but what we want to do is to create a new article containing a similar content but not the same. So to do that, let's go ahead and click on ESC and clear the current chat. Now that the chat has been cleared, let's go ahead and type / and type compose. We can either do that or look at the compose command here under productivity. So what this command does is craft any type of text content, including tweets, email replies, direct images, blog posts, and articles, job descriptions in a variety of styles. So we are asked here what we want to write, either an email, a DM, a tweet, an LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram article, press release, story, poem, to-do, meeting agenda, or a custom one by typing in the chat. Let's say we want Compose to create an article outline in MECE format. We are asked what we want Harpa to write about. Let's say the best movies of 2023, and in an instant we are provided with an answer including the complete article outline about the best movies of 2023, including the introduction, setting the stage, blockbuster extravaganzas, indie gems, genre breakdown, Oscar contenders, international cinema, upcoming releases, conclusion, and even the references. Now, if you're not satisfied with Harpa's answer, you can choose from the many options here provided by Harpa. Now that we have the complete article outline provided by Harpa, what we're gonna need next is the context or the input for each outline. The good thing is that Harpa also has a command that will help us provide or generate the input for each section of this outline. To access that command, let's press ESC again and type / article section. You can see that article section is under copywriting, and what article section does is generate an article section content used in combination with article creator command, where first we will need to generate an article outline and then every sections one by one. So what we are gonna do next is copy paste below a single section of the article outline. Let's try copy pasting the introduction section and pasting it over here. After that, we are given the content for the introduction of our article section. Under the introduction of our article outline, it says here that it briefly introduces the topic of the article. From the article outline, we can see that the introduction briefly introduces the topic of the article, as well as mention the anticipation and excitement surrounding the film industry in 2023. From the answer that Harpa provided, we can see a brief introduction to the topic of the article, as well as the anticipation and excitement surrounding the film industry in 2023. Now that we have the introduction section set up, I will go ahead and copy the entire article outline provided earlier and do the same thing for the rest of the sections. After that, you can see here the final result where each section of the article outline earlier is provided with details. This entire thing is 3 pages long with a word count of 769 words and 5,000 characters. Now from there, what we want to check next is how much of an AI generated text this section of the introduction is. Let's go ahead and go to GPT-0 and paste the text here and check the origin of text. So according to the AI scan, this text is likely to be a mix of human and AI text, which I think is a good thing, knowing that this entire text is made entirely by Harpa AI. Now for those of you who don't know, Harpa AI actually also has an AI detecting command. Just click on / and type detect, and you will see here AI content detector. Analyze any text and provide an AI detection score from 0 to 100. This is under the generative AI section. Let's go ahead and try it out with the same text that we entered in GPT-0 earlier. So according to Harpa AI, the AI detection score of this introduction text is 7 out of 100. It even provides an explanation of why it is unlikely to be generated by AI. Now knowing from here earlier that this text is 53% likely AI generated, Harpa also has a tool that will help us rewrite the AI text into a more human version 1 using AI Content Humanizer. Now the AI Content Humanizer command gives us this answer of the humanized version of this AI generated text that we entered earlier. Now we know that this text has a 7 out of 100 AI generated score. Let's try to get the score of this one. Now according to Harpa, the AI detection score of this text, which is supposedly a humanized version of the AI version that we entered earlier, is 85 out of 100, which is a large gap compared to the AI generated text that we entered earlier, which got a 7 out of 100 AI detection score. It says here that the provided text has a relatively high AI detection score, primarily due to the following linguistic and stylistic features. However, according to GPT-0, the humanized version of the introduction is 52% written by AI, which is 1% lower than the original AI-generated introduction that we tried checking earlier. So from there, we have obtained our objective, which is to create a blog post using Harpa AI. If you like this tutorial, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.